Hello! It's been a long time, huh? So hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is
Yeah! Yep, that's me.
My name is Tina. Hi. For those of you who don't know me, hello. Nice to meet you. Business doing pleasure with you. For those of you who do know me, welcome back. You might be disappointed in me, but I mean, no more excuses, you know? Just been doing my thing. But I'm glad to be back. So let me update you on some stuff that happened. I moved. Yeah, away from home. Crazy, right? We thought this would never happen. I straight up thought I was gonna be neighbors with my dad for the rest of my life, but life really does come at you fast. So I moved to a far, far away land. Long story short, I'm here. I live in a home now, and I have a room that I kind of want to show you. I think it would be a good little intro video, you know, just getting right back into things, because a lot of what is in my room shows what I've been doing since I've been gone. So I was like, you know what, why not just kill all the birds with just one single stone? Like, all the birds are in a pile and you just throw a big rock, you know? So I know what you're thinking. This girl only comes back when she gets a brand deal. Well, one, that's not true. Timing just works that way. And two, this is a sponsored video. Okay, but I'm really excited for this one though, because I've been using them for a minute now, and I've always been a big fan because I watch Bailey Sarian's videos and she promotes them all the time. And when they reached out to me, I was like, oh my gosh, hello cool cats and kittens. Yes, I would love to. Military grade drop, wait, let me tell you what it is first. This video is sponsored by Casetify. Ooh, ah. So basically Casetify offers pre-designed phone cases or custom cases that are all military grade drop protected. Like look. It's still there. Because I do stupid things like that, or like sometimes I'll just be like, oh, the internet. Blah, throw it across the room and it's perfectly fine. They have so many fun cases, they have so many cool colors and so many options for customizability. I don't think I've ever said this word. Customizability. Customize. But they also have really cool collaborations, like with Coca-Cola, Lisa Frank, and the Rolling Stones. Yeah, but really it's just amazing because you get the best of both worlds. You get a beautiful case and you get military grade drop protection. It's gonna protect you militarily. They're not too bulky either, which I love. It's like, it's hefty. It's a unit, but it's not too big of a unit. I have this pretty tortoiseshell one that says think on, and it just reminds me to think. It's sleek, it's shiny, it came beautifully packaged. But if you want this case, or if you don't, which is fine, but there's thousands of other options, you can go to casetify.com / or this way, I'm not sure which way I'm facing on your screen, Tina. That's Tina. For 20% off of your favorite phone case. Hello? That's casetify.com / Tina for 20% off. And these things are so cute, and you'll see more later because I have like 4. Use my code. But yes, thank you, Casetify, for sponsoring this video. I really, really, really appreciate it. Struggling artist over here. You gotta do what you gotta do. All right, that's it. That's all I have to say about that. So should we get into the video? I think that we should get into the video. I say let's get into the room tour, okay? Okay, let's do it. I'm feeling good. I have coffee. So this is my beautiful door. This is this cute little hallway area that I got the privilege of decorating. Also that table back there, me and my roommate built it. All right, so you walk in. Don't look at my toes. I need my shoes on. Hold on. Okay, so there's a fan. Just focus. So you walk in. And here it is. Okay, so first things first, this rug. This rug I got on Facebook Marketplace for $20 because I just needed a rug. I didn't need one, but I kind of wanted one because it felt good on my little toesies, you know what I mean? There's dog hair. But yeah, it's cute. It's like sand colored, a little bit boring, but because the rest of my room is crazy, I figured it'd work. And if I get a wild hair up my butt, I might paint it because I want it to look like, not zebra print, but like a zebra hide. So maybe I can just paint like a little zebra hide on it. I don't know. If that's something you want to see, let me know. Okay, moving on. We have this black chest, and inside this black chest is just like a yoga mat, emergency chapstick, a mirror that I repainted, blah blah blah, and it has a crunch wrap on it. And I know what you're thinking, Tina, why a crunch wrap? Well, many moons ago, I remember I was like a sophomore in high school, and I was still doing social media, and I was watching Pretty Little Liars, and they were about to find A, and my dad wasn't home, and it was like midnight. Just to set the scene. And I get a knock on the door, and so I start freaking out because it's midnight, and nobody's there, and I look out the window and I can see this black trunk. So naturally I start to cry. And I call my dad and he's like, just wait till I get home, blah, 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 blah. I'm like, it's a bomb. Is it narcissistic to think that everyone in the world is out to kill me? I don't know, not the point. Anyway, he gets home, we open it. It was just full of Crunch Wraps and posters and stuff, and and a robe with a Crunch Wrap on it. It was part of Taco Bell's like late night munchie menu promo, and they sent it to me to promote, but I almost called the police, so that didn't really work. Police officers could have got a Crunch Wrap. I mean, I guess local promos, any promo. Next, we have my beautiful record wall. And a lot of people, this is crooked. And a lot of people have been asking me how I hung these up. It was hung up with these, but then I slept with the window open and it rained, so it got real humid in here and everything started to collapse and fall. So you just stick a thumbtack through the inside and then press it there and boom. Stay golden, pony boy. This is like a cute little shelf that my mystery man made me. We cut these circles out of this nightstand, which I'll talk about later. And then I was like, hey, look, this could be a cute shelf for like my sunglasses and my keys and my jewelry. So it is. We got Beach Fossils, Tame Impala, Cut Copy, Wild Child, Red Hot Chili Peppers, my favorite album ever, Steely Dan, my second favorite album ever, Curtis Mayfield. I am winded for no reason. And it looks good. It looks cute. Okay, moving on. This beautiful lamp. I got it from an antique store. It kind of looks like an air filter, but it's cute. And I don't have anything pink in here, so I was like, why not? It's groovy looking. But yeah, I'm sure like if I need a replacement filter for my car, I can just plug this bad boy in there. I've got a speaker, my favorite rock ever with some jewelry, a dictionary, my Yeti cup full of water that stays full of water because I am a thirsty girl, and a knife for protection. And because I like to eat cucumbers in bed, so I can get a nice slice. I've got my holy Bible. I've got the handbook to prayer, my favorite perfume ever that they think they stopped selling. This book I'm gonna fill with like, I don't wanna do a tattoo apprenticeship necessarily, but I just wanna have like all my art on hand so that like if I ever decide to buy a tattoo gun and I practice on some fake skin and someone's like, hey, just give me one, I'll be like, yo, check out my book, just to have. And I like to doodle, so. I have a record player here, 2 paint swatches. Ooh, because, here, let me run out real quick, because y'all won't believe this. I got a church pew for free. So I'm painting it yellow, and I'm gonna paint flowers all over it and stuff like that, and it's cute. I have to take it apart though, because it was like falling apart a little bit, but for free, shoot. Back to the room tour. So this is a lovely nightstand that my mystery man made for me. It's beautiful and it's unfinished. I might finish it now. We'll come back to this at the end of the video. Stay tuned if you want to watch me paint this real quick. This is a piece of glass that I got that I'm going to paint a picture on. Not sure what picture yet, but it's going to be cool. I have a hammer for safety, some headphones that I didn't know were down there. Here's my bed. It doesn't really match right now. I mean, it's cool. It'll get the job done. I sleep on it. My bed has little drawers. Mystery Man also made me this, you guys. You guys need high expectations for a man because I didn't even know I needed a bed frame until he built me one, and I was like, oh my gosh, wow. Here's all my pants, my fun pants, and my jeans. And then I think this is all my workout stuff and like sleep stuff. So I got shirts, leggings, sweats, tank tops, whatever. No! No! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so as you can see, there's a giant painting behind me. I painted that. I was watching some service and I got just so inspired that I decided to paint the Archangel Michael when he defeats Satan, but on a motorcycle. How fun is that? My favorite song is Wrecking Ball, so I painted a wrecking ball and blah blah blah, be still, so that I know that when like God talks to me, I can hear it and I listen to it. Moving on. Matthew 4:22 is, and they left their father and decided to follow Christ, which is exactly what I did. And I sat there and read that and cried forever. Anyway, here's my little media corner. It's a hot mess, but I kind of like it. It gives me like industrial vibes. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. I'm talking to fill air. So I have a little hammock, some stuff, a dog toy. I make all my friends paint me rocks for gifts. If they ever want to give me a gift, I just tell them to paint a rock for me. A couple cameras, a projector, a little speaker scanner, my laptop, some book, a TV, a tripod, ring light, tiki man. Some random cage. This is actually where I sleep at night. This is a mirror that I took from my friend's old house because the landlord put new bathroom mirrors in, and I was like, hey, can I have it? Because it's cute how it is, but if I build a frame around it and paint it all cute, yes, let me know if that's something that you guys want to see and I'll do it. This is a painting that I'm working on at the moment for Mystery Man's cousin, who it's their anniversary, and I had this idea to paint this, and I found out that I'm not good at faces. So honestly, I haven't looked at it in like 4 days because I got mad at trying to paint her face. So if anybody has any advice, please help me. I'm moving up here. I have, I know what you're thinking. Tina, are you a frat boy? Essentially, maybe, but no. This is Mystery Man's favorite beer, and this is my favorite beer, and he made this for me for my birthday. Isn't that incredible? And he drank every single one of these, except I drank these, and my roommate snuck them out of the trash can and gave it to him so that he can cut every single one of these and individually nail it on with a tiny little baby hammer, and then stain it, and then put a wood frame around it. But wait, it gets better. I know what you're thinking. Tina, where is all this paint? Well, he made shelves for all my art supplies, and he freaking burnt my initials into it. So yes, the last thing that I said on Twitter before I deleted the app was, the bar is on the floor. So if your man does not do things like this for you, or maybe he's not a builder, maybe he fixes computers for you, or maybe he, programs a program for you. I don't know. Makes you dinner. Either way, what I'm saying is that somebody will prove when they care about you. And it's proven. Look at all my paint. Oh my gosh. And it's just so nice. Look at that. Oh, I love it. This is just a little rope light that I got, and I painted it blue so that it matched this little corner. Here's a dresser that I painted this. Yeah, all by hand, and it killed me. I spent probably like 40 hours on it. It looked like just a white dresser at first. And I filmed myself doing it, and I was totally gonna post it, but it was hectic, and it was not my favorite, so I just didn't post it. Which happened a lot, by the way. It's not like I just disappear. I try. I'm just like severely disappointed with the results a lot of the time. Yes, I painted it and it was just a dresser at first, and I'm gonna paint these same flowers on my nightstand right there. And then I turned it into a vanity. It wasn't a vanity before, but then I asked Mystery Man if he can cut out a little art for me, and I attached it with these little bracket corner situations, and then this mirror is separate. I got it at Goodwill, I think, and so I just painted it all, attached it all together, and now I have a beautiful vanity that I love so much. Back here is a painting Mystery Man did for me, and down here is a pack of the best. You can't tell me that these aren't the best skipping rocks you've ever seen in your life. Oh my gosh. And that's just for when I go to Utah and I really want to skip a rock. I'm prepared. I have a Utah rock for when I go to Utah. When am I going? I don't know. Is it in the books right now? No. But why not be prepared? Okay. So inside these drawers are, you guessed it, more art. These are I have a bunch of cigar boxes too, but that just holds my beads. There's markers under there. There's some fabric, because save money, live better. Just buy fabric by the yard and make your own canvas. It's super nice. Some yarn, because I sound psycho. I'm making a rug. Colored pencils, staples, markers, more markers. What's in here? This is what I mix all my paint on. Again, save money, live better. Paper, and then I think this is just accessories. So I have hats, nail clippers, nail polish, sunglasses, jewelry, and all my beautiful Casetify cases. Oh my gosh, look at this. Beautiful. That one's really pretty too. And then this one's cute. I switch them based on my outfit. Yeah. Anyway, thank you, Casetify. This was like an old thing that I got from Goodwill, and it holds all my makeup. This is my light switch for my light. This is my Corona, because I'm of age now. All right, let's move on to this unfinished gallery wall of mine. I made this and I printed it out and blew it up humongous because I love my dad. And it's "The righteous man walks in his integrity. Blessed are his children after him." Proverbs 27. Look at that. Look how cute. Look how cute. Dried flowers from Mystery Man, a sign that tells you where to leave. An old record. It's already too scratched, so that's why I hung it up. Same with this one. I feel like anybody who had family in California has this poster. This is a small version of the painting Mystery Man did for me. Right here it says Budweiser Boulevard, and then there's a oil can. I think that's called a Thistle YouTube play button because I take pride in that. Here's like some metal sign. Here's my beautiful father again because I'm not attached to him. Oh, and here's a contract that me and my best friend signed with blood. And we got it notarized. It said we have to be best friends forever. It's a good friendship. From here, we enter into my closet. Ooh, more art supplies. Here we have my favorite sandals. Here we have all the shoes that I wear on the reg. These are actually for sale on my Depop if anyone wants them. So there's that. We have chones, bra, socks, things that are just there. Purse, belts, clothes, dirty hamper, Converse, Adidas, Nike, Reebok, Nike, Walmart, Vans, some heels, some boots, which those are so cute. They were a steal on Depop, incredible. My favorite jacket in the world, my second favorite jacket in the world, my third favorite jacket in the world because come on. Some suitcases, some extra canvases, a purse, not a purse, that's like a travel bag, a light bulb. I don't think that there's anything up there except dust and dirt and a light switch. It's a pretty decent sized closet though. Like I could live in just this if I had to. Oh, a stool right there and a hanger on the ground. That friend that signed the contract was the one that gave me this for my birthday and I love it so much because it lights up. You can't see it right now, but it'll light up later tonight. Yeah, I got windows. Here I closed a window and the tree outside caught on it and I have yet to go fix it, but there's my plant. Believe it or not, that's it, y'all. I think that's it. Oh, I'm gonna paint the thing. Welcome. Here's how I do the drawer. It's pretty simple. So you measure, it's 20 inches. So half of it would be, half is 10. So it's 20 by 9. So half would be like 4.5 there. So that's the center of the drawer. So that is where this is gonna happen. Then plop some paint down and you just go to town. So what I do is I do a little circle and a little circle. Boom. And it didn't go this fast when I did the dresser because I was figuring out what pattern I liked. And then I created this thing and I ain't mad at it. It's inspired by traditional bone inlay stuff, but that stuff's expensive. Reasonably so though because it's beautifully made. And you just kind of make like a Jimmy Neutron type beat and it's gonna start off ugly. It doesn't have to. You can do it right the first time. Okay, I'm not mad at that. I can do it better upside down. From this bottom one, I'll go whoop whoop. No whoop whoop. Fix it. Boom. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And then it goes whoop, whoop. And then it goes whoop, whoop. Like that. Golly, that's a long thing. I don't know if this is long enough. Beautiful. And voila. She's complete. All right, I think that's it. Thank you guys for painting with me. Thank you guys for enjoying my room with me. Thank you Casetify for sponsoring this video and funding my art shenanigans. Oh, and bills, thank you. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see any of those projects that I talked about. Like, I don't know, painting that piece of glass or how I find stuff for my gallery wall. Or I really want to make a headboard. So maybe you guys want to join me in that journey. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for being patient with me. But yeah, I'm just going to continue to do what I'm doing because it's working for me and I have never felt better. If you want to like and subscribe, go ahead. You can follow me on TikTok or Instagram if you want to. And yeah, keep it real, keep it fun, keep it fresh, keep it funky. Can't wait to see you next time because this felt pretty good. Who knows when that's gonna be though. Let me know what you want to see, please. Thank you. Love you. Mwah. Mushy mush. Bye.